Hi guys, welcome to Info Magnified channel. So we have in today's video if and COUNTIF combo. So basically what we're going to do here is we're going to apply a quick search bar here to check whether the name is available in my dump or not. So when you want to check a name, so quickly you can add a search bar and you can see how it is going to work. Okay. Now I'm going to add a drop down here. Insert, drop down. I'm going to select the range, drop down range, and select the range is this. Click OK. And then advanced options. I'm going to select this as plain text and done. Right now, this is a search bar for me. Okay, now let's write the formula equals to if I'm going to count if I'm going to give the range, comma, if this search bar has greater than 0, that means it exists in the sheet. If it is not, let's just say not found, right? So if I hit enter, it should say not found because I did not select anything here. So I'm going to, the moment when you start typing, it reflects the names. Let's say you have two names with RA, it will reflect, let's assume Ram here. Okay. When you type RA, it will reflect two names. So you have to select which one you are looking for. I'm going to look for Rahul, whether he is exists in the sheet or not. So when you're checking like whether people filled or not filled the form or the details of them in the Google Sheet, you can add a quick search bar to check. Let's say if anybody comes up to you and asks like whether the name is reflecting or not, you can just enter the name and check. So you can check for Amit and select Amit. It should say it exists. Let's try with different name, which is not here. Let's type Alex. It should say it throws an error because we have already um, given a drop down that it should throw an error. So it will only accept the names which are available in the list. If it is throwing an error, the name is not available. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in the next video.